Yeah, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're gonna be doing another simple flip cup. Again, the surgery is gonna be happening tomorrow. Gosh, I'm so nervous about it, but I'm gonna get over myself. It's part of the reason I'm up here right now. My wife could see that I was super stressed, so she's like, "You need to paint," and I was like, "Yeah, you're probably right." But here's the colors we're working with. Sorry about that. Titanium white. This is a cadmium red, and this is a fluorescent pink. We have another titanium white. This has no silicone. These three have 1 drop of the coconut milk hair serum. And with that, we're just gonna start layering. Now I know I want some cool gradients between the reds and the pinks together. So I'm gonna layer those on top and then let the white push through them. We're gonna need it a little deeper. And I could also, likewise, churn the pink and the red through the white and do the same thing. It's just lightening up those colors. There we go, let it churn a little bit. Pour the red so it churns right over where that pink was, so we get a nice differentiation between that red and the pink. Dope. I'm almost seeing a peach looking color coming out of there now. That's kind of interesting. Very different. Alright. Well, I'm excited already. Looking good. Let's do a gentle flip this time. Maybe we'll get less bubbles. But maybe not. Who knows? Once again, I'm gonna go around the rim of the cup. I like doing it because I feel like it gives me a little bit extra paint to help it slide on, but some of it actually looks kind of like an open cup too, which is super cool. So that is the other reason that I like doing it. So right now we're just gonna like let this churn out, or let the paint kind of settle. And then we're just gonna kind of drag it around. Well, I shouldn't have gone that close to the edge, but we have enough paint to be fine. There we go. Get a little bit more of a natural looking coverage. So, yeah, we're gonna hit it with a torch and then spin it again. First, I'm going to use some of this white to make sure we can get to these corners. So those will be the hardest parts. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to use the torch just in the center section, try to get some really cool looking stuff, and then spin it right away. I really think we're gonna have something super cool. What? Bro, that is so pretty. I love that. I am noticing the paint pooling back towards the center though, and I don't want that to happen. So I am gonna let it continue to stretch just a little. Whoa. Guys, that is so nice. I love it. Let me get you down here and check this thing out. My goodness. This thing's looking so cool. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.